Now, if only growing up was as easy as a walk in the park, you wouldn't need much more than your own 2 shoes and some sunshine. But for those that need more help, Foundry BC gives young people the opportunity to support other youth. And thanks to a $16 million grant from the BC government, it will be able to give more young people jobs that they say could lead to more work in healthcare and social services.
My peer support worker was really supportive and made a huge impact in my journey to wellness.
Amanda Horn has been a peer support worker for almost a year here at Foundry's Vancouver branch, one of 14 support centers in BC. She helps young people with everything from doing taxes to giving support during a mental health crisis.
It can be very different depending on the day. I help facilitate groups, so there's Smart Recovery, which I help facilitate. I have a caseload, roughly about 10 clients that I see on a regular basis, but there's also people that drop in.
The qualifications for the Foundry BC job require someone to be able to finish a recognized training program and to have experience working with young people. Cully Sudgemore has worked for years in peer harm reduction and support for different health authorities and says they hope Foundry can avoid some of the pitfalls of other peer programs where those with lived experience help others.
Like, it's good that it's being formalized, but it's also it can cause a lot of barriers. A lot of times when things come formal, it can have a lot of stricter rules and stuff like that, which creates a lot of barriers for youth.
It's not a new concept. Peer support work is seen in health jurisdictions across the continent, helping people who want to connect with others with lived experience. Foundry says these positions will be accessible to young people of many different backgrounds.
Peer support can be an initial stepping stone or first position that a young person might have. It's a very low barrier position.
Sudgemore says appropriate training and support for new workers will be key.
I feel like it's just, hopefully this one works out, because other ones have failed, or not failed, but just like have fallen through the cracks because it's just not much interest or just not enough people that have the same experience as other people. So it's difficult to try and maintain that.
In Vancouver, Kier Junos, City News.